Chief Minister N. Biren announces 3,500 crore rupees for construction of concrete roads in Imphal, Greater Imphal and district headquarters of Hill districts. National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services jointly observe World Mental Health Day on the theme, "It is time to prioritize mental health in the workplace." Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan terms the prevalence of dengue in Manipur as still alarming, exhorts community participation. And Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee felicitates former Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar, who recently joined Congress along with 8 others. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News. This is Nancy giving you the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren today announced the sanctioning of 3,500 crore rupees for the construction of concrete roads in Imphal, Greater Imphal and the district headquarters of Hill districts. This announcement was made during the inauguration of the training center and night shelters for BOC workers at the ITI complex in Takel, Imphal. The program, organized by the Manipur Builders and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board (MBOCWWB), was attended by several officials, including Labour Minister H. Dingo, Power Minister T.H. Biswajit, and MBOCWWB Chairperson K. Sarat Kumar, along with BJP Manipur President A. Sarda Devi and various MLAs. During his address, Chief Minister N. Biren emphasized the significant improvements in the benefits received by labourers through the Labour Card since the MBOCWWB's reformation in 2017-18. He also announced the commencement of preparations for constructing working women hostels in 10 locations across Manipur, with a budget of approximately 150 crore rupees allocated for this initiative. In addition, the Chief Minister reported that out of 169 individuals recently trained and sent for employment outside the state, 98 were from relief camps, highlighting the government's commitment to prioritizing internally displaced persons. The initiatives target to place jobs to those who had passed Class 8 and 10, with a target of placing 2,000 individuals in jobs outside the state. The initiative aims to provide secure employment opportunities in light of limited white-collar job availability. Biren further informed about the One Family, One Livelihood program, which offers financial assistance ranging from 1 to 10 lakh rupees, comprising a 30% grant and a 70% loan, encouraging the public to seize these opportunities. He also mentioned that the National Food Security Act, NFSA, has been extended until 2028. In response to recent flooding, the Chief Minister confirmed that 400 crore rupees has been sanctioned for road repairs and improvements. He reiterated the state government's daily discussions aimed at enhancing the welfare and well-being of the public. On health issues, he highlighted the need for increased public awareness regarding the dengue outbreak, emphasizing the importance of timely treatment and maintaining clean, hygienic surroundings. Reflecting on the past year and a half, the Chief Minister expressed optimism about returning to normalcy and hinted at a willingness for peace dialogue among communities, urging citizens to endure hardships for a better future.
Concrete road concrete cement road koilas nong he ta ga kai to road loino ji cement road sema kanda to ki sanction madu ki tender loino loi bani karor lising ho macama gi aduna not only Imphal area eko ki greater Imphal area yaugani Singh district headquarters cement concrete road se cover to bani Sumay tawdana koi naharol sin aduga ima ibel sin laibiri ba mayam punapaki tanam mo nungai na putsin na ran jigi ay bisu koi nomada watana ba khana ba koi lepa laite
observed to raise awareness of mental health issues around the world and to mobilize efforts in support of mental health. According to the World Health Organization, the day provides an opportunity for all stakeholders working on mental health issues to talk about their work and what more needs to be done to make mental health care a reality. The people worldwide. This year, the theme of World Mental Health Day 2024 is Mental Health at Work, which focuses on addressing mental health at work. This World Mental Health Day, WHO is uniting with partners to highlight the vital connections between mental health and work. According to World Health Organization, safe, healthy working environments can act as a proactive factor for mental health. Unhealthy conditions including stigma, discrimination and exposure to risks like harassment and other poor working conditions can pose significant risks affecting mental health, overall quality of life and consequently participation or productivity at work. National Mental Health Program, National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services also observed the World Mental Health Day at Hotel Imphal located at Imphal's North AOC. The day was observed on the theme, "It is time to prioritize mental health in the workplace." Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Health Services Director Dr. O. Sanahan B, NHM Manipur State Mission Director Dr. M. Dinesh were the main guests at the function. A state-level painting competition was also held in connection with the World Mental Health Day. Later on, the dignitaries of the event distributed prizes to the winners of the painting competitions. The main highlight of the event was a mental health awareness rally that was flagged off by Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan. Mental health posters were also released as part of the event.
World Mental Health Day se dum sei kuling ya koi se palon tawi the mental health issues globally habatare montul me big stress hinkalakpa the workplace is stress hinkalakpa even akoi living environment is the stress hinkalakpa sida akoi world mental health se yam na maru eba keno ma oiba nasi teams idi akoi workplace ta akoi prioritize so ma thautai so that akoi na thabak tawri ba jaga sing keno is the with a free mind tabak tawang amna na only that protective way na koi tabak tawang am gadoini and world mental health se sige issues sa chahi kuding mental koi stress se dum hekalak bai batare globally competitive work ba duga individually work ba duga koi gi amaga competition levels hekalak panina dum definitely dum stress so hekalai and mental health se koi prioritize tawri koi even state ke side so mental health teams ina jaga da chattuna koi mainly koi relief camps so chattuna team thaduna awareness pina na bai damakta mental health issues labra later right damakta koi atmani am kan honazari.
Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh termed the prevalence of dengue in Manipur as still alarming. During an exclusive interview with ISCOM News, the minister said even as the number of dengue cases in the state is gradually decreasing, it is still an alarming state and that one must take up all preventive measures proactively. He further informed that the number of dengue cases rose drastically in the last few weeks. Nevertheless, the number of dengue cases is decreasing gradually with the efforts of the health terms and ASA workers who are responsible for disseminating dengue awareness across the state. Having said that, the dengue cannot be eradicated from Manipur without community participation, Dr. Sapam Ranjan further exhorted one and all to ensure there is no stagnant water in the household to keep the chances of mosquito breeding minimal. Notably, 3 individuals have died of dengue since January this year, while a total of 1,200 positive cases have been reported so far. Of this, Imphal West District has recorded a total of 835 positive cases, while Imphal East District has recorded a total of 240 so far.
Yes, last week the positive cases ka handare, but last 1-2 days the number of cases ki handaraga zo. It's alarming. Aina prasada appeal to usuning badi. Adum hanagi hajne without the community participation akoi dengue fight to bunga moy. Manam de akoi ki team, akoi ki health ki team moy adum chattuna. Akoi asha workers tage horaga right up to the level of officers. Moy masa directly involved to chatli akoi mayam the awareness pe ba piri. Adubo until unless yumgi imungi kaino du the lairiba mioi khuding bakna akoi kaino tominadragadi akoi tasengna jointly work tominadragadi akoi dengue ki breeding grounds akoi kaino to bunga moy. Ana akoi amuka hanna ayam toina dum appeal to jabaduni akoi isa na section biba akoi awareness program awareness winana ba duga akoi miking through all India radio through the akoi media topagi kutang de whether electronics and print media atum lo ina akoi tawduna lai ultimately akoi responsible oiminaba mathau tai.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Humputere chuba irengbam saurengi mapok numit ningsing thorum gamari leinana iramdam gi thakta mahiroi singi wareng ibagi athoi ahen tanabama lakliba October gi tang kungi ayuk pung 13 dagi numit yung matung pung ama phawba Kwakaithel la laiba Ratan Kumar Memorial English School amasung Pitambara English School da pangthok sargani
Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust na ahan boina sinjariba wareng iba changdamnaba asigi hiramna responsibility of the indigenous people to preserve the integrity of Manipur haibadi Manipur gi apunba saktam ngakpada yelhomi singna lawgadaba thudang haibasini changdamnaba asi English amasung Manipuri loan anigi manungda mahiroi singna apamba khanduna iba yagani Manipuri loan gi oinadi mitei mayek natraga Bengali mayekta ibasu yagani
Manipur gi apun basaktam bu kahendana ngaktuna thamangam gadaba Manipuri iraisha amamam ohinna bahona bagi pandam da pangthok sagadoriba wareng ibagi athoi ahen tanaba shi category ani thokna khaidok sagani ahanbada class 8 tagi 10 phawagi ama ani subadana class 11 dagi masigi mathakta laiba mahiroi singi ama mamangda rules and regulation number 1 da thamkiba wapam singdugi mathakta university amadagi pass torklaba mahiroi sing sangdamnaba asida saruk yaba yagani haiba anoba rule asisu hapsinjare
Iramdam Iraipak Punungsijaba Amadi Iraipak Kidamakta Hingbang Nabagi Wakalonda Sinjariba Sangdamnaba Sida Iramdam Sida Laibiriba Mahiroi Singh Huruk Kanglup Puding Makna Saruk Yabiduna Mapung Pahan Biu Haiduna Sinjalangjariba Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust Ki Maikaidagi Laibak Miyamda Nolukna Paujenjari
Phom Phangpham Kwakaithel Akham Laikai Delaiba All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko Amasung Kwakaithel Thongjong Laikai Delaiba Manipuri Students Federation MSF ki office sing
Welcome back. Former Minister Langpok Lakpam Jaintakumar, who recently joined the Congress party, was felicitated today by the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Notably, L. Jaintakumar had won from Kaisamthong AC on National People's Party NPP ticket at the time. Additionally, former NPP candidate from Singzamai AC, Oinam Roman, former ZP member of Kurai AC, A. Okendro, social worker from Andro AC, L. Dhirend, former president of the JAC, AMTUC and AMGEO, T.H. John Singh, and former councillors of Ward number 15th, 16th and 17th of Singzamai AC, namely L. Gyanendro, R.K. Sachi, O. Nilachand Singh and L. Roman, who newly joined the Congress party, were also felicitated. The felicitation program held at Congress Bhavan at BT Road, Imphal, also features the presence of significant party figures, including leader of the Congress Legislative Party, O. Ibobi, MPCC President K. Megachandra, and Congress Working Committee member Gaikhangam, among others. On the occasion of World Sight Day 2024, Lions Club of Imphal, in association with Lions Eye Hospital and Services Trust has organized a vision screening camp at Nabalini Ashram Children's Home for Girls, Gari Awang Lekai, under Lion Dr. L. Chau Singh. Vision screening was done for 88 girls and 5 trans girls who are staying at 3 homes managed by Nirvana Foundation, Imphal, namely Nabalini Ashram Children's Home for Girls, Nirvana Home for Girls and Trans Pride Home. Among the residents of the 3 homes, 11 of them were found to be requiring spectacles. The president of Lions Club of Imphal, Lion O. Ranjan, said that the spectacles and necessary medicines for the girls and trans girls will be handed over to the management by Lions Club of Imphal on 13th October during its regular meeting. Giving an awareness lecture on this year's themes of Love Your Eyes Kids, Lion Dr. L. Chauba informed the gathering that early detections of symptoms of any eye disease and giving appropriate treatment is of utmost importance. If timely treatment is given to children, the chance of saving eyesight is very high. If the eye problem is kept untreated for a long time, then due to disuse, atrophy, there is almost no chance of vision recovery with any treatment procedure. Lion Dr. W. Gopi Mohan, who is also the PMJF and former district governor, said that vision care is to be most focused project taken up by Lions Association worldwide since Helen Keller requested members of the club to be the Knights of the Blinds in 1925. Carrying ahead this initiative, Lions International launched Sight First in 1990, followed by campaign Sight First Second in 2005. A bus and an auto collided on October 10, causing serious injuries to the passengers present both inside the bus and auto in Assam's Chabua. The incident occurred by the bus bearing registration number AS23CC3490, traveling from Dirburgha to Tinsukai, collided with an auto with registration number 23E9145 moving in the same direction. The exact number of those injured in the crash remains unclear at this point. However, among the victims, the auto driver identified as Lalit Das from Ramaria and a passenger, Pramila Mura from Sabua, were swiftly transported to Panitola Primary Health Center for immediate medical attention. Due to severity of their injuries, both have been referred to Assam Medical College and Hospital, AMCH, for advanced treatment. Authorities are continuing to investigate the circumstances surrounding the accident as locals express concern over the safety of the road stretch. The East Khasi Hills police arrested 2 suspected drug peddlers yesterday. The arrest was made following credible intelligence that led the Anti-Narcotic Task Force (ANTF) to intercept a Tata Sumo vehicle traveling from Guwahati to Shillong at Banalari showroom, Maulai. The apprehended individuals have been identified as Abdul Mukid, aged 43 years, from Karamganj, Assam, and Sorupananda Mohanta, aged 38 years, from Kasar, Assam. During the operation, police recovered 5 soap boxes containing approximately 57.51 grams of suspected heroin, along with 4 mobile phones, an EPIC card, a PAN card, 2 ATM cards, and a driving license. Superintendent of Police S. Nonggar emphasized the significance of this operation, stating, "This successful operation highlights the unwavering commitment of East Khasi Hills Police in its efforts to combat and eradicate drug trafficking within the state." A case has been registered at Maulai Police Station and investigations are ongoing to uncover further details regarding the drug trade. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh expressed satisfaction regarding the ongoing promotion of indigenous wrestling in Senapati today. Singh said that the positive impact of the Khelo India scheme is providing training and resources to youths and aspiring wrestlers in the region. He further said the promotion of indigenous wrestling is in full swing, with dedicated training sessions being conducted for talented youths. He underscored the importance of promoting local sports, stating that necessary infrastructure and facilities are being established to support these athletes. He said the importance of sports and fitness in one's life is invaluable. Playing sports inculcates team spirit, develops strategic and analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting, and risk-taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to an equally healthy society and a strong nation. Under the Khelo India program, the government aims to revive the sports culture in India at a grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in the country and establishing India as a great sporting nation. Now the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren announces 3,500 crore rupees for construction of concrete roads in Imphal, Greater Imphal and district headquarters of Hill districts. National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services jointly observe World Mental Health Day on the theme, "It is time to prioritize mental health in the workplace." Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan terms the prevalence of dengue in Manipur as still alarming, exhorts community participations. And Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee felicitates former Minister Langpok Lakpam Jaintakumar, who recently joined Congress along with 8 others. Now that's all in this bulletin. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News.